Hey guys, it's the Michigan Legends here, Par, and I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, as you can see, it's messed up. So now, first step is to get a white cross with each color corresponding to its color. So first, I see I can bring this white up and it matches red. So I'll go ahead and find red, so it matches. So next I see is a green, but so green is on this side. So what I need to do is bring it up, throw it on the side, and bring that back so that this is here, bring it up like that, and bring it down. So as you can see now, I have a green matched up, a red matched up. So now I have an orange right here, so I can twist it. Now I have all colors except blue. So now blue is all that's left, and blue is right here, straight across from where it needs to be. So I can bring this up, twist it, and bring it back down. So now I have all their colors matched with the white cross. So next step is getting these four corners where they belong. So this one belongs here because it's white, red, and green. And white, red, and green. So I can bring it out and put it here. So now we have that where it belongs. Next, we can take this one down here. So that's in order now. And then this one belongs right here. So I can bring that up, put it right there where it belongs. And then this last one goes right here. So there we go. So now we have the first layer with white still intact on every side. So next, you need to get the second layer. And by doing that, you need to go to the top and find these four that have no yellows. So this one has a yellow, meaning it cannot go in any of these slots, whereas orange and green doesn't have any. So you take this color facing you and match it to where it belongs. And as you can see, green goes on this side. So we pull it away, left side up, and then bring it down. And then you bring white back where it is. And as you can see, it went from here to here with that way of a rotation. Now we'll go ahead and do that for all the others. And then you'll have 2 rows as your next step. As you can see, it's coming along, but 2 sides already have 2 full rows. So this one should be the last one. And yes, I have 2 rows on every side. Next step is getting the middle yellow. So my trick is, if I don't have any in a specific way, there's this formula I'll use this way. So you hold it like this, flip it this way, bring the right side up, throw it away, and bring this one down. Then I'll bring this back, bring it down, and as you can see now, I have a pattern which has an L. Face it so that the L is going that way, like this. Then bring your left side up, that way, down, that way again, up, and then 2 times where the white comes right back, and you have this design. So now we'll do that same formula I did at the beginning to get yellow as this one. So bring that side up, bring this one up, pull it away, bring this right back down, and as you can see, we just need that row back. So flip it right back, white intact, rows are all intact, and now we have a cross of yellow. Now you need to get these 4, and to start off, as you can see, I have yellow corner on the left. So if you have a corner here, adjust it so that it's on your bottom left. So here, it's already on my bottom left, and face it like this. Then you bring this side up, twist it that way, bring it down. You twist it up, and then twice, and down. So now we have yellow solved, and you should have one side which is either fully solved or it's like this. Two of the same color on the outside, one different in the middle. So as you can see, I have blue here with red. So the others will have a various amount of different designs, patterns. So now I'll face it on the opposite side, and here is one of my signature moves I do. So I'll bring this one up, pull it away, bring it down. Then I'll bring it like this, right back. But before I go down, I'll go one more and then bring it down. And then I'll pull it away, bring it back, and put it down. So as you can see, everything's still intact, but now we have a weird M or W sign. So make it so that it's two L's like this. Now you do a similar formula like before. Left side up, twist, down, twist, up, and then 2 times twist again, and you'll have a T. Twist it this way, bring this side up, pull it away, bring it right back down, pull it back, and push it back down. So now yellow is back to normal, but now you'll notice either every side will be solved with one twist, or you'll have something like me, where one side is solved, but then the others, their middle is all different. So what you want to do here, if your one side is solved, you'll put it in the back. So now what we need to do is we need to bring orange here, we need to bring this blue there. So what we'll do is, this way it's going counterclockwise. So now we'll spin this one twice, twist it counterclockwise, the way we want this one to go. So we want orange to come here. So we'll make it so that it spins this way. So we'll spin it twice, spin it this way, bring these two sides down, and flip this yellow with this bottom yellow. So we'll flip it, bring these two sides back up, twist it so that you see your color, which is soft, twist it back. So as you can see, you have a fully solved 3x3 Rubik's Cube. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if subscribe to not miss out on any of our future videos, and we'll see you next time.